Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have just unboxed a bulk.com case. A case is this size, and we're going to go through each and every item that came out of the case. If you'd like to see the actual unboxing, check the link at the end of this video. It will be available. Check that out. It's awesome to see how they actually came out. But I'm going to go through each one of these shoes, tell you where I'm going to sell it for and how much I'm going to sell it for and the profit I'm going to make off of this case. Okay, yes, I've already unboxed it, but let me give you the specifications on this. This is a bulk.com case of 51 items. Women's shoes, uninspected returns was the condition. I paid $142. It was shipped for $30. Tax was $516 for a total of $177.16. It came out to $3.47 per item. But that has changed, and let me show you why. So let's check on the condition. Come on over this way. If you watch my original unboxing, you will have noticed that there was a lot of tape on items, things like that. So we went through, a lot of items were taped together like this pair. And so I'm going to kind of explain to you, this is my disappointment pile. I'm really sad about this, but these are all shoes that I cannot sell them and for various different reasons. So these are really cute rubber boots, but clearly there's mud on them. They've been worn outside, and then somebody decided to return them, which is lame. So these are size 6s, I believe. Let me look, size 9s. These are size 9s. If you are interested in any of these pairs of shoes, just take a screen grab, send me a message to hookedonpickin.com, and you can buy them at a reasonable price. But we've got jelly shoes, clearly have been worn. These, if you saw in the first video, totally busted up heel. And so those are definitely in unsellable condition. So most of these are going to either get thrown away, or if they're in okay condition, they'll get donated. These right here have been worn. You can see the dirt on the bottom of those tennis shoes there. And then I've got some other ones that are unfortunately damaged just because of the way they've been packaged. Like this one right here. I don't know if you can tell, but you can see the stickiness from the tape, and it actually has pulled off some of the coloration of the sandal. Same thing with these. You got stickiness all over the bottom based on the tape. These, if you saw the first video, unless your name is Henry, you don't want these boots because someone decided to permanent marker the name Henry on the bottom and then return them to the store. These ones, they actually are brand new with tags, but they've been, basically the condition has been damaged just from either being in the box or thrown around at the store or what have you. And then these have some picks in them. The tape has kind of ruined some sections of those. And then these here, they have been, if you look at the bottom of these shoes, they've been worn as well. And so the shoe looks nice, almost brand new, but it clearly has been worn outside. So that's the reason why I'm not selling these on my Poshmark platform, which is the normal platform that I usually sell a lot of my shoes. But if you're interested in any of these and the blemishes don't bother you, then feel free to contact me at hookedonpickin.com. Just take a screen grab of which shoe they are or describe them in the email, and we'll see if we can set up a way for me to just send you an invoice from hookedonpickin.com. So unfortunately, that brings my total of 51 pairs of shoes down to 40. And so down to 40 pairs of shoes that I'm able to sell, which adjusts my price of $3.47 per item all the way up to about $3.50 or $4.50 per item. So unfortunately, that kind of eats into my profits because of all those damaged shoes. But if you want to come back around this way, I will show you the good ones that we get to sell. We're going to start with our high dollar ones, which are not super high dollar because this is a box from Target.com probably, or Target big box store. But now we're at the $4.50 per item for all of these shoes. So I have 40 pairs of shoes I can still sell. Remember, I only paid $177. So all of these shoes here, so these 3 pair of tennis shoes are in great condition with tags, so they will be sold new with tags. All of these sandals, based off the original purchase price, I believe on my Poshmark platform, there are 9 pair total, $15 a pair of profit. And that is after fees, after shipping, all of that. I believe I can actually pocket $15. So $15 times 9 is, I forgot my little piece of paper. So $15 times 9 is the profit that I've got on that one, $225. And then this is kind of my dividing line for my pair of $15. And then when we go this way, this is kind of my $10 one. So I've got various different sizes. Some of these sandals are really cute. $10 is what I think I can make off profit off of all of these different kinds of shoes. I've got various different sizes. If you're interested in a specific pair, please send me a message at hookedonpickin.com or check out my Poshmark platform. It's down in the link in the description below. It's at Paul Hooks is the name. My hubby helped me set it up. And then these are also $10 pair of shoes. All of these children's shoes. And so basically, not the children's shoes, sorry, just the sandals here are also $10 pair of shoes. So that's that total there. So those shoes there are $10 pair of shoes. Then we've got our $5 ones over here. So these are going to be all my $5 ones, starting with the children's shoes here are going to be $5 pair of shoes. And so those, so I've got $225 in of profit on my $15 shoes, $150 of profit on my $10 shoes, and then with my $5 shoes, which are all these sandals here, I believe after fees, after shipping, I can get $5 a piece. And you know me, I always give really conservative numbers. I'm at about $80 of profit on those. And so I've got all of those set up to make me about 80 bucks. So it doesn't sound like a lot, but remember, I didn't pay a lot. I only paid $177.16. So I'm at a total of $455 of profit on the 40 pairs of shoes I have left to sell. Those will either get donated or sold to you guys if you'd like to, or you can buy one of these on my Poshmark platform. So I take my $455 that I'm going to make, take away my $177.16 that I paid for the case, and I'm at $277.84 of still positive profit. And those are extremely conservative numbers. Some of these shoes that I say I'm only going to make $15 on, I'm not going to start at $15 of profit. I will start the price higher because occasionally I offer deals on my Poshmark store or bundles or things like that. And so I may make more on one pair of shoes, less on another, but on average, I believe that I'm going to make about 15, 10, and 5 on those across the board. So $277 of profit on this case where I only had to invest $177. Not too shabby. So if you have any other questions or you'd like a specific pair of shoes, screen grab that, send me a message at hookedonpickin.com and we'll make a deal. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.